What does analysis mean in the world of business intelligence? A question many of you might be asking right now. Well, today, it's time to get some answers. In the realm of business intelligence, or BI as it's often abbreviated, analysis is a crucial process. It's the act of breaking down complex data into smaller, manageable components to make sense of it. It's like trying to understand the plot of a novel by reading one chapter at a time. First, let's delve into the concept of data. Data is the raw, unprocessed facts and statistics collected from various sources. It's the ingredients you need to bake a cake. But having all the ingredients doesn't mean you have a cake, does it? That's where analysis comes in. Analysis in BI is the process of transforming this raw, unprocessed data into meaningful information. It's like following the recipe to turn your ingredients into a delicious cake. This process involves several steps, from data collection and cleaning to data processing and interpretation. The first step is data collection. It's about gathering data from various sources like business operations, market research, social media, and many more. It's like collecting all the ingredients you need for your cake. Next comes data cleaning. This stage involves checking the collected data for errors and inconsistencies and rectifying them. It's like sieving the flour to remove any lumps before you start baking. The third step is data processing. Here, the clean data is organized and classified into different categories for easy analysis. It's like prepping your ingredients, measuring them, and putting them in separate bowls. The fourth step is data interpretation. This is where the actual analysis happens. The processed data is examined and patterns and trends are identified. It's like baking the cake and watching it rise. Finally, the interpreted data is presented in a visually appealing and easy-to-understand format, like graphs, charts, or reports. This is the icing on the cake, making it not just tasty but also visually appealing. But why is analysis in BI so important? It helps businesses make informed decisions, identify opportunities and threats, and improve their performance. It's like using a map to navigate a city. Without it, you might get lost, but with it, you can easily find your way and even discover new places. So, to sum up, analysis in business intelligence is a multi-step process that transforms raw data into meaningful information. It starts with data collection, followed by data cleaning, data processing, data interpretation, and finally, data presentation. The goal of this process is to help businesses make informed decisions and improve their performance. Remember, data is like the ingredients for a cake, and analysis is the recipe that turns these ingredients into a delicious and visually appealing cake. So the next time you think about analysis in business intelligence, think about baking a cake. It might not be as complicated as it seems.